Check out these waterfalls. The real country living right here. We're in the National Delaware Water Gap National Park here. A lot of waterfalls here, a lot of power here. Not like New York State at this time of the year where the entire towns flood on a regular basis. Here's the trail. It's a nice trail. Shale, pine trees, man-eating bears and ticks. Look at that beautiful. Like to throw a fishing line in there, catch me a man-eating shark. Look at this waterfall right here. Another little waterfall right here. Just absolutely gorgeous. Ooh. Look at the power of this fall too. Look at the power. See where it goes. It looks like it's going down here. Just beautiful the way this water comes into here. You gotta see this place. Look at the power that comes down there. Pretty incredible. They don't want to talk back there and disrupt those girls eating their lunch on that beautiful scenic rock. Just enjoying themselves out here in the Delaware Water Gap. Whoa! Look at this beautiful place. Look at those land formations. Man, I hope we run into a bear so I can introduce you. Maybe even we'll get it on video as you take a little licky of me. You know, when they're licking you, they're just tasting you. Oh, another couple. Another couple on the trail. We don't want to ruin the serenity. They're probably talking about what they're missing on the cell phone right now. To find this place, you have to take Route 80 up to just before you get off the Delaware Water Gap. The bridge, take the last exit, Old Mine Road. Follow your nose from there. Just scenic. That couple was definitely in the witness protection program. I remember his face from the picture in the post office. Never forget a post office picture. Oopsie daisy, we go up. Where the hell's that elevator? Yes, there's no elevator. It's nice being out here. Must be about 65 degrees. I think it's April 8th or 9th or 10th. It's a Sunday. 2017, check your calendar. Like these videos, we're going to be doing an adventure starting April 17th, coming from Bellingham, Washington, right above Vancouver, Canada, all the way back to the famed orchards of New Jersey. What a trip. Tune in, myrvadventure.com. Like us, follow us, not too closely now. Give us some distance. Bear. We'll probably eat you. We'll save our kisses. All right, that's enough for now.
my intercom will probably drop out every once in a while.